beautiful people. This is my grandmother's traditional dressing recipe, right? And I'm saying traditional because that's how I'm going to keep it. Yes, I can make it with sausage or chicken or, whatever the things, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to keep this traditional. Yeah, so I decided I'm not going to change anything. And that's how it is, like with us, with people. Let people be who they are. Don't try to change people. You know what I mean? But like for me, I don't like jiffy in dressing. I don't like sweet dressing. So I step away from it. So if somebody is doing something, they're being offensive, or whatever it is to you, just step away from them. You don't got to dog them out. You don't got to trash them. You don't have to be the center of discord for your family with whatever the situation may have been. Love, heal, and forgive in unity with the Spirit of God.